Me and my daughter here today because I am going to do the Mia challenge, the Taco Bell challenge. She said tacos. It didn't matter if it was Taco Bell, if you made it your own way, home style, whatever. But guess what? I did Taco Bell, the easy way out, and it's Taco Tuesday, so why not? So I have it 8 different ways. I have the Doritos. I have the receipt. I have beef. I have the hard, soft, chicken, steak. I have it all, but there's 8 different kind here. So I'm gonna show you.
Oh, there's different meats in here?
Yeah, some of them might be chicken. Yeah, like you probably, I don't know if you picked different meats. Like you probably just picked beef. There's chicken, there's chicken and all that stuff. So, and we have some nachos here.
Oh, wait, this might be chicken.
Oh, is it chicken? All right, guys, this is our nachos, and of course we have some extra tacos in here. Oh, and I have a sparkling ice
and
to drink.
Cranberry juice, like I always do.
All right.
Should we take a thumbnail first?
Let's take our thumbnails.
I'm gonna fix my hair.
Thumbnail. Oh, my taco's gonna fall. There you go.
Oh, my hair. One more.
Okay. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8.
And I'm just gonna be eating 3 and some nachos.
Yeah, she not ready for that. She not built for that kind of challenge right now.
I just wanna. I don't like eating too much.
Yeah, so we're gonna do 8 minutes. She has the timer over here. And we're going to say a prayer first before we start anything. We got to bless this food. Amen. And amen again.
See what I just did?
Oh, you marked me?
Yeah.
All right, so my drink, get it ready.
Right, let me get the timer. I almost forgot that quick.
You almost forgot what the timer that you had to set it?
Yeah.
All right, guys, here it goes.
I don't think you can really see it from that far, but
you might be.
8 minutes.
You should be able to hear it when it's over too. It should put it up front first. It'll show 8 minutes. You can see it now. 8.
Yep.
8 minutes.
Yep.
All right. All right, we're going to start this timer. All right, let's see if I can do this.
Tell me when you're ready.
I am ready. Whenever you're ready, start.
1, 2, 3, go. And I'm just gonna eat my stuff.
She didn't say that the way you had to eat it. She just said 8, and this is gonna be 8. I'm mixing them. I put one inside of it.
Because I always get the soggy taco. Always. I think it's good that you can't see the time, so you know.
Sound choked. Sound rushed.
Right. I probably look tired, and that's because I am. I didn't really get that much sleep.
At all.
talk in this video because you gotta eat.
Okay.
I don't know what to really talk about. Valentine's Day is coming up.
It's double
excited. Excited? Oh, that looks nice. That looks good.
This is the Dorito one. On outside.
Getting already a bit in the mind. I am. Valentine's Day is coming up. And I'm very excited. Then after Valentine's Day is my birthday. Well, not right after, but it's after. I don't think I want to go to Cancun anymore. Maybe Vegas. Since it's like in the United States and like COVID, you know. And plus, I heard when you travel out of the country, you gotta get tested before you leave. No, before you leave, or when you come back to the U.S. Like, I'm not doing that. Oh yeah, you are though. You're going out of the country. In April. You remember? I'm getting full. And only ate 2 tacos. See, I can't eat because I'm full already. I feel like when we first started this channel, well, when you started this channel, not me. When she first started this channel, I could eat. Like, I'll be eating until, but now I just can't eat anymore. And it sucks. It's like my metabolism went down. Ooh.
Don't worry about it, so I'm trying.
I'm trying to.
How am I doing? No, I'm trying.
You got a chance.
I still got a chance? Hard to get down.
I feel like Taco Bell's tacos are very heavy. On your stomach. I keep looking this way because Lifetime's on right now.
I gotta put these two together and start eating them so I can make it like them. Yeah, sometimes I guess. Alright. What time is that?
Man, I don't want you to know. 19 seconds.
19 seconds.
Don't go too fast. You need a napkin? Another one? Oh, you got plenty over there. Ooh. They're good. But I think I'm done for right now. Right.
This is hard, man.
Oh, the thing didn't go off, but you can see on the screen that it just says turn up.
It says 30. Oh, it's at 30.
Yeah.
Mia, this soup, let me show y'all what I did.
Yeah, she did good. She did great. And I'm proud of her.
But guess what?
You can't see me hugging her.
I don't know who's gonna make that and beat that challenge.
Right. I don't think she beat it either.
So
yeah, that's hard. She did good though. Look at her plate.
So you might as well had about. I said I had about how many left?
I would say
Left?
6, 7.5.
That 8. That I 8.
Yeah. No. Yeah, that's you 8.
That I 8. Yeah.
I thought you meant
this is trash right here. But this is what I have left over. Look. Oh, that thing is hard.
Yeah,
that
and
thing
only
is hard.
3, and I'm full.
Woo! We did it. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to touch the nachos.
Me neither. So we might as well just close those back up.
So I finished what? About months of it.
7, 6.5, 7.
About 7. And that's got a little bit left. And I couldn't finish the 8 because I ran out of time. But that thing is heavy.
Very heavy. I didn't realize Taco Bell was that heavy on your stomach. And
girl, whoever trying that.
Or maybe like you said other tacos too, so.
Other tacos what?
Like other tacos.
What you mean?
Like, you know how these are filling on your stomach? Maybe other tacos are.
Oh, homemade, like style, like
yeah.
the ones
or anything other than Taco Bell, but Taco Bell.
It's so filling, like it's
very,
crazy.
you could feel it.
Yeah. So
like your stomach. But
I don't know who else is next. I don't know nobody else that I can tell them to do the challenge, but it is over for me.
Who's could probably do it?
It's over for me. My mouth not big enough, and I don't even think my throat wide enough to swallow all that. Like it's like a little bit. I can only swallow a little at a time. And then I was trying to drink. Look at my poor little drink. I was drinking a little bit at a time. I was trying to drink it. But I had too much food in my mouth. Like, but I did try it, Mia. And I didn't finish. But guess what? I'm here to support your channel. And yes. Thanks for everything you do. And I love your channel, girl. So keep up the good work.
Yeah. And
everybody don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
And also turn on those post notifications so you're alerted when we make a video. Well, when she makes a video, but you know what I mean.
Period. Until next time, See ya.